So hi, so today's video is about the height property of CSS. So in today's video, I'm going to explain you how you can set the height of the division or any HTML element using percent property. So you might have faced some problem when you try to set the height of any division in CSS. So when you try to set the height of a division with some percent value, let's say 20% or 50%, then the division will not displayed, and means the height in percent will not work. So today I will explain you why this happen, and with this I will also explain you how the height or width or any unit in percentage actually work. So this is basically the percentage is actually basically a relative unit in CSS. So this is relative to something. Let's say there are some other units in CSS like pixel or centimeter or inches. They are called absolute unit, while the percentage is a part of relative unit, which is with respect to something else. So with respect to what, so whenever we set some height or width or any other unit to percentage value, then it will always be according to the parent. Means if let's say there is a division with some height with width of 500 pixel, and if I create another division inside this parent division and set its width to 50%, then this division will be of half of 500 pixel, which is 250 pixel. So instead of just saying, I will show you what actually I want to say with this. So what I will do, I will create a division with class parent, and inside this parent I will create another division with class child. Okay, and I go over here and give parent class some property so that you can see it. I will give it a background color. First I will give it a background color of let's say red. Okay, and now I will give it a width of let's say 500 pixel, and also height of 500 pixel. So you can see here this big red colored square box appeared on the right hand side of the screen. Now I also give some property to child class, but now I will not give set its height, the height and width of child class with pixel value. I want to set the height and width of this child class with percentage value. So what I will do, I will set its width to let's say 10%. Okay, 10% like this. And first I will give it a background color so that you can see it. Let's say cyan. Okay, and when I set its height also to 10%, then you can see a little square over here on the right hand side of the screen, this one. So this, its a height, its width is actually 10% of the whole width of this square, and its height is also 10% of this square. Okay, if I set it, if I increase its width to 50%, then as you can see its width is 50% of this whole red color square. And if I set its height to 50%, then as you can see its height is also 50% of this height. Now if I change this to 600 pixel, then height of this one and this one both got increased. Means the height of this one is 600 pixel, which is parent, and its height is 50%, which is 300 pixel. Means the height the height of this cyan rectangle cyan box is actually uh, half of 600 pixel, which is 300 pixel. Means if I, in place of 50%, if I set it to 300 pixel, and as you can see the same size of cyan box appeared here. Okay, so this is how the percentage property works. Now I will what I will tell you what is the problem when you try to set the height of a division which have no parent with percentage value. Let's say if I remove this child division from here, let's for some time, and let I remove this child property also, and let me give this division to a width of let's say 20%. okay, and height of let's say 100 pixel, then no problem, it will appear like this because it's the width of this parent. Now the division with class parent have a parent of body. This means the parent of this one is this body, means the whole screen. So the width, when I set its width to 20%, then it will take 20% width of the whole screen, okay. And since height is fixed 100 pixel, then it will be displayed like this. Now when I set the height of this one to let's say 50% and width also change 50%, then as you can see nothing appeared here. You can't see anything on the right hand side. So why is like that? See, so see what happened when I set the width of this one to 50%, then it will look at the width of the whole screen. Okay, till now it is fine. But when I set the height of this one, then it will go to parent, which is body. And since the body has since the body has no height and no width, okay, since the body has no height and no width, and the one thing you must know that know that the height of the body will change according to content if we don't set it explicitly. Okay, means if we don't set the height of the body, then it will change, it will increase according to the content. Means as I increase or as I include more and more content inside body, then its height automatically change. But since inside this no content, inside this division there is no content, if I include some content like say lorem 20, then you can see here this division showed up. And if there is no content inside it, let me remove this also. And if this division is also empty, this body is also empty, so there is no content, so there is nothing, so there is nothing to show, means the height of body is 0. So if you want to set the width and height both to percent, then you also need to set the height and width of the body and also the whole HTML document. Means if you come over here and set the body height to 100%, okay, nothing will change because you also need to include HTML. Now this will work. So why I have included HTML? Because the division, the parent of this division is body, and the parent of this body is this HTML document. So division will look at the body and body will look at the HTML document. So I need to set the height of these to 100%. So when I set their height to 100%, now their height, the height of this division is 50% of the height of this one. Means, so as you can see on the right hand side, this division showed up. So this is how. So if you want to set the height and width of any division to 50% or any percentage value without no content, and still you want to see the division, then you can do like this. Okay, so this is how the percentage works. Okay, thank you.